This quick video is about how to post a blank or empty command on Instagram. Okay, first open any browser and type blank Unicode. Search. Then open this first link and copy this Unicode character U plus 2800. If you did not see this, then just type U plus 2800 on the search bar. Likewise also you can find this. Okay, to copy this, long press on this empty box. Then copy. Let's close this and open Instagram. And jump to the post or reels you want to comment. Then tap and paste it on the command box. Now post. That's it. Now you successfully posted a empty command on Instagram. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.